Welcome back to another episode of CCPLTBR Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at a tier list of all the fast food restaurants around the country and rating them to my personal favorites. Let's get right into this tier list. Alright, so starting out with Arby's. I can't say that I've been to Arby's. I've been planning to get around to it. Jack in the Box, I've heard things about E. coli. It's going to go in the question tier. I haven't been there personally. A&W is just root beer. That's not actually a restaurant. Auntie Anne's, I can't say I've been there either. Boston Market, I don't know what that is. Burger King, I know Burger King. I can't say I've been to Burger King, but I've definitely seen them around. It's just not for me personally. Checkers, I don't know what Checkers is. Chick-fil-A, I can't say I've been to Chick-fil-A. Hippo, I don't know what that is, or Nabo. JJ, Jimmy John's, I haven't been there. DQ, Dairy Queen, I can't remember. I don't think I've been to Dairy Queen. Dunkin' Donuts. I'm allergic to donuts. I don't know what that is. Five Guys. They have Five Guys. I haven't tried Five Guys, but I'll get around to it. Hardee's. I haven't been there. Haven't been there. Jersey Mike's. I don't think Jersey Mike's is an actual restaurant. KFC. I haven't been to KFC either. Crispy. I can't eat donuts. I don't know what that is. Okay, McDonald's. I have been to McDonald's. I've only got the McChicken. Put this in C tier. I don't know what that is. Panera Bread. I like bread, but I haven't had Panera's bread. Opie. I have not been to Opie. Quiznos, no. Raising Cane's. I don't know what that is. Sonic. You know what? I've played Sonic Adventure 2, and I don't really like it, so that's going to go in F tier. Steak and Shake. I don't know what that is. BWA? I don't know. Okay, now Taco Bell. I've been to Taco Bell. Now let me tell you, I love Taco Bell. That's going in my personal favorite, for sure. Wendy's, I've seen them around. I haven't personally gone to Wendy's. I don't know what that is. Whataburger is a B tier. That's a good restaurant. I don't think I've been to White Castle. I don't know what that is. But yeah, there's my tier list. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my tier list. Yeah.